Good morning. How's everybody doing today? I was going to talk about my sourdough starter today, but I got sidetracked and started doing tomatoes. So I wanted to tell you about what I do with our tomatoes. So with all of our aromas and our little cherry tomatoes, our grape aromas, I throw them in here. Even the garlic. Everything goes in here just whole. I just rinse it off, throw it in here. I'm gonna just drizzle it with some olive oil. And I'm just gonna use all this up here. I'm gonna take my kitchen shears and just cut them up. Get everything up so that it doesn't explode in the oven. And right now I have the oven preheating. Well, right now I have it on broil because I think that it speeds everything up really fast. And then I'm going to put it on roast at 475. And I'll roast these for roughly half hour to an hour. And I'll turn them all up. I'm going to roast it till the skins basically char. Then, first I'm going to sprinkle it with some Italian sea salt. I'll put in fresh basil later. Okay, here are the tomatoes. I still have to put them back in, but I just wanted to show you where we're at halfway through. So they're roasted, the skins are getting a little black, but I'm just gonna stir them up here. Just to get some of those tomatoes from underneath, up, and kind of squish them a little bit. I want a lot of this moisture to evaporate. I want a thicker tomato sauce. So here they are out of the oven. And now I'm going to put them through the press. So when I bought these presses online, I bought two of them because they're pretty inexpensive. I think I only paid maybe $15 for them. So I got two just for when one runs out, I have another one. So I don't want to have to wait to press the tomatoes if I've already roasted them. So I put the little press together, then you clamp it to the counter. It suctions there. Put two bowls down, one to catch the pressed tomatoes, your sauce, and the other to catch the skins and the seeds. You just pack them in the top. I put a paper towel so that they don't, it kind of splashes a little bit. And it just separates them. It's awesome. It saves so much time and you get this beautiful sauce. Now I put the seeds and the skins back through probably 3 to 4 times. And the more you put them through, the more of a thicker paste you get out of it. So after I've run the tomatoes through the press, you're going to want to can them or freeze them. Here I have 2 pots on the stove. One has boiling water to sterilize the jars. The other is heating up the sauce. Anybody that has a garden, you need to get yourself one of these if you're growing tomatoes. It's a tomato press. So after I roast all of this, I run it through the press. No seeds, no skin, no papers from the garlic. And then you end up with beautiful sauce. So we can these. We got about 10 jars. I put it into the jars, put a fresh seal on it, close them up with the lid, and then put them in a hot water bath for about 30 minutes, and then wait for the jars to pop. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe.